let's face it, there are chemicals now way more than there ever used to be. Many of those are persistent in the environment. They don't dissipate, they don't biodegrade, and they build and they build and they build in your system.
Over the years, we're slowly filling up with different toxic chemicals from around us, whether we eat them or drink them or inhale them or absorb them. And our body can't filter out these chemicals. And so they used to be very fringe where we'd get these chemically sensitive people calling in once a month. You know, it was like, what's that? MCS, chemically sensitive. We didn't even know what it was. And then it became more and more and more, and now it's every other customer.
Many people call us from their cars. They call us from hotels because they can't be in the space that was just finished.
The beginning of that conversation is very crucial because they're not being believed that they're chemically sensitive. We can help by just accepting them as they are and just saying, yes, this is not in your mind. You're not making up this, injury or sensitivity.
It's really a medical thing that doctors and the medical society doesn't quite know how to deal with, because they can't do a surgery on you if you're chemically sensitive. There's not something that can be done other than put yourself in an environment that's healthy.
The mission of Green Building Supply is to provide the most non-toxic products possible.
We test everything. Let's do it ourselves first. Let's research it. Let's try it. Let's make sure it works. And then let's offer it to people. And then we can really stand behind it.
Green Building Supply has been selling these products for almost 2.5 decades, close to 27 years. And because of that, we've learned what products are safe. I believe that manufacturers should make their products safe and prove that they're safe before they ever get on the market.